is also very nice today. The 11th of April 2025. We have Paturintie and Turenki A. We have also Finland stakes B here, which you can watch here. This was built in 1988 with Kone fixtures. This one is 6-5-1-2. Also in Turenki, Janakkala, Finland. All the way to the beginning of 1988.
Yeah.
Stake to watch here. I like the sunset smell here.
Same here. Inspireert een paar keer wijsbetent met een paar tussen naar de script.
Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.
That's